Welcome to the video by Spexin. Zoology Mille and Harley MCQs.
Chapter 17. Hemichordata and Invertebrate Chordates. Acorn worms are members of the class Pterobranchia, Enteronusta, Eurochordata, Asteichthyes. Correct answer: Enteronusta. Which of the following is not a characteristic of members of the phylum Hemichordata? Open circulatory system, pharyngeal slits, dorsal sometimes tubular nerve cord, postanal tail. Correct answer: postanal tail. Members of the class use ciliated tentacles in filter feeding, usually live in secreted tubes in asexually produced colonies, and possess an expanded shield-like proboscis. They live in deep oceanic water of the southern hemisphere. Pterobranchia, Enteronusta, Eurochordata, Cephalochordata. Correct answer: Pterobranchia. All of the following are characteristics of members of the phylum Chordata except one. Select the exception. Endostyle or thyroid gland, complete digestive tract, dorsal contractile blood vessel or heart, postanal tail. Correct answer: complete digestive tract. All of the following are unique to members of the phylum Chordata except one. Select the exception. Notochord, pharyngeal slits, ventral nerve cord, postanal tail. Correct answer: ventral nerve cord. Tunicates or sea squirts are members of the chordate subphylum Eurochordata, Cephalochordata, Enteronusta, Pterobranchia. Correct answer: Eurochordata. All of the following are characteristics of tunicates except one. Select the exception. Enlarged pharynx with pharyngeal slits, oral and atrial siphons, secreted tunic containing proteins, salts and cellulose. Oral cirri. Correct answer: oral cirri. Which of the following chordate structures is a mucus-secreting, ciliated groove that is used for trapping food particles during filter feeding? Notochord, endostyle, midgut cecum, stigma. Correct answer: endostyle. Cephalochordates circulate blood by a heart, contractile vessels, the endostyle, the atriopore. Correct answer: contractile vessels. Amphioxus is a lancelet in the subphylum Eurochordata, Cephalochordata, Craniata, Pterobranchia. Correct answer: Cephalochordata. All of the following are true of lancelets except one. Select the exception. They are dioecious, and external fertilization results in free-swimming larvae. The body wall forms a large atrium around the pharynx. They are relatively weak swimmers and spend most of their time partly buried in a filter-feeding position. Their notochord is restricted to the tail region. Correct answer: their notochord is restricted to the tail region. Which of the following is an opening to the outside of the body of a cephalochordate, through which water exits the body after passing through pharyngeal slits? Oral siphon, atrial siphon, atriopore, anus. Correct answer: atriopore. The development of sexual maturity in a larval body form is called parthenogenesis, coevolution, pedomorphosis, morphogenesis. Correct answer: pedomorphosis. Which of the following characters can be used to distinguish Eurochordata from all other chordates? Pharyngeal basket, endostyle, postanal tail, buccal apparatus. Correct answer: pharyngeal basket. Pedomorphosis may help explain the evolutionary origin of the dash from the dash. Eurochordata and Cephalochordata. Modal chordates and sessile ancestors. Sessile chordates and modal ancestors. Eurochordata and Hemichordata. Correct answer: modal chordates and sessile ancestors. The oldest chordate fossils date to about before present. 5.3 million, 53 million, 530 million, 5.3 billion. Correct answer: 530 million.
Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details, unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.